I did a 15-second short to Dance Monkey. Here is a longer tutorial from the front and the back. And then I also added on a little bit. In the original, there's just 2 T-steps and 2 running man per side. In a little bit, I'll do it with 4 and 4. It extends it, and I like it a little bit better, a little bit longer. Here's the short version, up to tempo. I'm going to take it slowly to the back now. Sometimes it does feel a little bit harder when it's slower, especially to really get these. Now I'm going to do it slowly to the front. T-step, running man, stopping with the feet together, T-step, running man, this foot again, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, toe, heel, and then immediately into the crisscross, crisscross, and double. Step, kick, ball change, touch, and that's just my way of finishing and coming out of the step. Now let's add on and make it 4 and 4. So there's 4 T-steps, 4 running man, but the same amount of toe, heel, and crisscross, like this. 1, one more time to the back, slightly under tempo, and I'm going to try to make that T-step travel a little bit more. So I'm going to pull it to the side to start. Could you see me pause and think for a moment there? Last time, up to tempo, to the front. I have worked hard to get the correct tempo in my head, and I think this is going to be pretty close. And finally, I want to thank my original teacher, Kelly Brock of Kelly Brock Dance. She taught me these steps in a more complex combination. I've simplified it, but I'm so grateful that she taught me these steps in the first place. Now it's your turn. Learn it, post it, and tag me.